So today I thought we would do a dupe on an Anthropologie dresser that costs nearly $1,500. This particular dresser is something I always admired, but certainly wouldn't pay that much for, and I thought I would actually be able to do it myself. So let's see if we can tackle it. Ready? Let's go. This is the piece that I have to work with. It's a dark finished nightstand. Jeffrey, what are we up to today?
Well, right at the moment, we're this drawer in this nightstand doesn't slide very well because it's got a wooden track and it's a little out of focus here. So we're fixing this up right now, and what's going to happen is it's going to get sanded down and cleaned and then repainted in it to satisfy the artist in her decorative choices.
So this is the piece of furniture that I'm working on, nightstands, bedside tables, and I am going to put this epoxy compound and make some trees and some branches, and then have the birds sitting on top of the branches. So I took this epoxy clay and I made the branches and the birds and the leaves, and I'll show you what I got my inspiration from. And now I'm just going over it with a chalk paint, so it almost looks like a carved dresser. Hi, I'm Gigi, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little different, but it is part of our way of living simply, is by taking things that we really like and seeing if we can make them ourselves. I hope you learned something from it, that you can do it too. It's a pretty easy compound to work with, and it didn't really take that long. I finished it in one day. So if this is something you'd enjoy more tutorials for it, please let me know in the comments. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you'll think about doing it. Ciao for now.